Today, Taiwan is a sophisticated world leader in cutting-edge engineering and technology. Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding has played a central and profound role in taking it there. Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding is Taiwan's biggest privately owned shipyard and employs over 1,000 employees with an annual revenue of approximately $100 million. Its massive size spans 6 giant shipyards, each with its own area of specialization, but with a collective expertise that makes each ship produced a paragon of craftsmanship, engineering, and innovation. The Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding Group was founded in 1985 and is located in Kaohsiung City, Taiwan. Since 1985, Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding has produced over 300 ships, ranging from state-of-the-art military craft used by the Coast Guard to international bulk carriers, tugboats, ferries, official boats, and technologically advanced fishing vessels. The glamorous side of Jong-Shyn shipyards creates high-end luxury yachts displaying stunning hand craftsmanship and world-class design. In addition to shipbuilding, more than 600 ships are maintained and refitted by Jong-Shyn for the Navy, Coast Guard Administration, and private companies. How did such a premier shipyard come into being? The answer lies with our founder and owner, Chairman Han Bi-xiang. His family was very poor. In high school, he sold fish on his bicycle, where he got to know workers at the port. They helped get him a job in a ship factory, where he earned less than $1 a day hammering steel shells. He then worked his way up, learning all the basic skills of welding, gas cutting, and blueprint modeling. In 1969, Chairman Han launched his first company doing ship maintenance. After years of saving, Chairman Han founded his first shipbuilding company in 1985. By the early 90s, his Jong-Shyn Group owned 5 factories, and it became one of the biggest shipyards in Taiwan, leading the industry there. He invested several $1 million in CNC cutting machines and shipbuilding software. He hired experts from leading universities to develop new shipbuilding techniques. Then, in 2002, Chairman Han realized that expanding into yacht making was both an artistic challenge and a sound investment in his company. The following year, he spent $22 million to acquire 2 more shipping companies, and Jade Yachts was born. Chairman Han never forgets his roots. Today, he still comes to work every day at 7 a.m.
我做造船这一方面，当时从基层做起，所以说每天我现在坐在办公室是坐不住的啦。每一艘船每一个地方，哪一个地方我做得不好，我一一都能掌握，一看就出来。
He knows all the workers on the factory floor and considers them part of his ever-expanding Jong-Shyn family. He is also president of the Taiwan Shipbuilding Union. Family remains the most important to him. His sons Eric Han and Memphis Han are vice presidents of the company, and both help run the business. For someday, they will be in charge. Jong-Shyn is the parent shipyard to a diverse family of marine engineering and manufacturing yards that create many types of vessels, from commercial boats to military craft to luxury yachts. This is what gives Jong-Shyn the advantage. The diversification of our yards adds experience and expertise to all of them. The cutting-edge marine technology used in fishing and military boats can also be applied to super yachts, while conversely, The fine craftsmanship that details the yachts also contributes to a streamlined design for more functional ships. Our ships are not mass-produced. They are all custom-built. The variety of Jong-Shyn shipyards provides the widest capability, allowing custom shipbuilding for every kind of vessel, whether commercial, military, or luxury yachts. This gives each individual owner the opportunity to control his ship from design to production. Our Jong-Shyn Group has a total factory space of 130,180 square meters. Our shipyards are divided into half a dozen different functional yards that supply different parts to the process of shipbuilding, from steel cutting to the fine artisan work of teak wood detailing. Each stage of shipbuilding is carefully controlled to maintain the highest quality, level of safety, and design. Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding offers the latest state-of-the-art technology. Steel is cut with laser accuracy. After the steel is cut, it is sent to the assembling factory for block assembly. This factory produces piping plans for all blocks and does welding, pressure-raised leakage test, simulated field assembling, dismantling, and pickling or galvanizing. One 5,000-ton shipway, measuring 18 meters by 100 meters, can take several blocks for inspections. The trolley shipway can assemble big blocks until completion for sea trial. Block erection for big boats is done in a yard area complete with a 40,000-ton semi-dry dock measuring 210 meters by 50 meters. In this expansive space, many ships can be assembled at the same time. There are two 100-ton moving cranes which transfer the inspected assembled block and also other large facilities to the boats. Linshen Yard makes platforms for fishing boats. Jong-Shyn Yard has a 2,000-ton shipway measuring 15 meters by 70 meters and a 1,000-ton shipway measuring 15 meters by 60 meters. These shipways can take inspected assembled blocks and finish them until launch. Another area has a 320-meter dock and two 150-meter docks. It boasts a 100-ton moving crane for moving big facilities to the boats. Its main mission is to make blocks for new ships, as well as finishing work of sandblasting and painting. The Jade Yacht building area has a 3,000-ton shipway, 16 meters by 80 meters. The trolley shipway can assemble big blocks until they are finished together and launched. This is where some of the world's most beautifully crafted yachts are born. Jong-Shyn's diversity is the key to our shipbuilding success and wealth of technical knowledge that keeps rapid pace with the world's technology. Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding has invested millions of dollars in new technology for fishing boats, Coast Guard patrol boats, and yachts. Our vast experience brings every project to the cutting edge of marine engineering and design. One of the standout trademarks of Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding is our steel aluminum construction. It is much stronger than fiberglass, harder to damage in a collision, and more difficult to burn than fiberglass. Through vision and hard work, we have dramatically improved both the design and function of our yachts. Models are now able to go up to 50 knots per hour, and our hull design is elegant and beautiful. Reliability and safety are Jade Yachts' hallmarks. But Jade Yachts VP Memphis Han also believes that we can build boats comparable or even to much better standards than in Europe or the US.
中信造船集团有很丰富的造船经验，还有很优越的造船团队。在台湾呢，工资跟材料不比欧美国家来得高，所以中信造船能用合理的价格建造出很优越的船舶。
We build beautiful and unique yachts, each with a personality of its own.
游艇本身就是一件手工的大型艺术品，而且是很实用的大型艺术品。它是直接跟船东的生活方式是紧密的联系的，所以每一艘我们客制化出来的游艇都是不一样的，都是反映的船东的人格特质。
We build beautiful and unique yachts, each with a personality of its own. We listen to the owner's description and follow his or her custom preferences. We put all of our experience, artistry, and imagination into their dream. Stainless steel finishing is handcrafted meticulously. Teak wood is used throughout, providing the most luxurious and durable decks available. Rich interiors are painstakingly constructed over hundreds of hours by master craftsmen. The reflective surfaces inside are treated with 10 to 12 layers of special protective coating, and rare natural marble is installed by stonework experts. What sets Jade Yachts apart is the exclusive knowledge and hand craftsmanship that goes into each project. Highly sophisticated mirror panel coating requires years of experience to execute perfectly. The application of putty and sanding are extremely difficult, but with techniques learned from Europe's top masters, our craftsmen have perfected it. We also employ noise suppression methods that satisfy the requirements of the most stringent yacht markets in Europe. From the most glamorous ship to the most hard-working, all of Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding's vessels engage the most advanced and contemporary technology. Technology has truly advanced Jong-Shyn's engineering in harbor tugboats for the 21st century. We now utilize a special Voith-Schneider propeller, which is different from the usual propeller spiral design. The boat can also turn in circles on the same spot in the shallow water. After building many tugboats, we have accumulated a great deal of experience and technique that puts our tugboats a notch above with superior speed, strength, and accuracy. Jong-Shyn's state-of-the-art Navy ships are commissioned by Taiwan's Coast Guard Administration. At 2,000 tons, they are the biggest in the Coast Guard fleet. It uses a dual propulsion system that contributes to the speed of a very large ship. This is the first Coast Guard vessel with a helicopter deck. The Advanced Helicopter Landing Guide system is the most unique design of this ship. It also has a helicopter garage, which provides parts storage, a meeting room, and a resting room. This type of ship is built of steel and aluminum alloy, 98.5 meters long and 13.2 meters wide, with a draft of 7.6 meters. Maximum speed and navigability are 24 knots and 7,500 sea miles. It can accommodate a crew of 68. In our general bulk cargo ships, the design of these ships must follow the rules of the International Convention. During the production, depending on where the ship will be registered, we custom build the ship to follow the country's ship code and adhere to their standard on materials, structures, safety, and equipment. Our long experience building fishing boats lends Jong-Shyn's superior expertise in the field, putting us at the cutting edge in creating the new modern fishing boat. Deep-sea fishing vessels built by Jong-Shyn are characterized by their speed, stability, cruising range, fuel efficiency, labor efficiency, and productivity. Powerful engines built with precision engineering lowers fuel consumption and costs significantly. The state-of-the-art radar equipment, huge chill space, and reinforced freezing capacity add to the design. And these boats also have highly automated fishing equipment. No matter what ship we build, our bar is set to the highest standard. Our innovative team at Jong-Shyn remains dedicated to one simple goal: making the best boats in the world. Half a century ago, made in Taiwan signified cheap manufactured goods from a tiny country. Today, Jong-Shyn Shipbuilding has played a major role in transforming that image and demonstrating to the world that Taiwan is a top producer of quality high-tech and luxury products.
我有这个理念，必须把根留在台湾，在这边做，让它品质做好一点，让外国人到台湾来订船，不要我们跑到国外去。
We serve Taiwan's domestic market for both national security and commerce, Navy and Coast Guard boats, tugboats, ferries, and fishing vessels. Our international clients range from Japan's bulk carriers to U.S. tuna fishing vessels. Our yachts are sold on the European market. We continue to look to the future, to the rapidly growing technologies of the 21st century, and to the needs, desires, and dreams of our ever more sophisticated clients.